What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a quick ride and review for you today. I was just over at the skate park working up a sweat, getting my exercise in the form of BMXing, and I got hungry, but I was stinky and sweaty, so I figured I'd jump a quick shower and jump back right out, get on the bike again, and head over to this spot called HING for a late lunch. They do rice rolls, really good stuff, like rice flour batter spread out, steamed with some stuff on it, and then rolled up, and you put some sauce on it. It's great. So I've been trying to find this spot for a while. I actually rode by it years ago and took a mental note that I wanted to try this place out, and I could never find it again. I was always either on the wrong street or between the wrong streets looking for it. And I was talking to some of the guys in a group chat about food, and I don't know if you know him, but Peter, he was like, yeah, you got to check out this place, you know, HING. And I look at it on the maps and I'm like, wait a second, I think that's the spot that I've been trying to remember all this time. Found some pictures of it, and sure enough, it's definitely it. So now I know exactly where it is. It's 58 Henry Street. It's not far from here. It's not far from House of Machines and the skate park. So I'm just working my way back in that direction now, after a little quick shower, cool off from the skate park session. And I'm not far. I'm just coming up on it now. It's another 2 streets, and I take a quick right and a left, and we're there. But I know it does close soon, so I'm cutting it close. Yeah, I think they close at 4:30, and we are definitely close to that time. We'll see. Luckily, I got the Chimera. I could just gun it in front of traffic. Okay, so this is what, Market Street? Yeah, I gotta turn here. Smells like shit. And then I gotta take this left on Henry, which is going the wrong way. But who cares, because it's right here on the left. Oh, nice. It looks like it's still open. Yeah. All right. So this is going to be a takeaway. I'm not going to be sitting inside or eating. It'll be a little bit different. How are you? Could I get a pork rice roll, Chinese sausage and mixed vegetable rice roll, and the curry fish ball?
1 pork rice roll, 1 sausage with vegetable, 1
curry fish ball, yeah. No, I got it home. Thank you.
Okay. So $9.50.
Thank you. All right. Success. Right before the closing bell. I got 3 different rice rolls. I got pork. Well, you probably heard the order. I got pork. I got sausage with mixed vegetable and curry fish ball. No, you gotta watch where you're going. Shithead. Anyway, like I was saying, yeah, 3 different rice rolls on my way home. I'm gonna just eat at the counter, and then I'll give a little recap on what I thought afterwards. Treacherous ride. People telling me I gotta watch my speed when I'm going like 10 miles an hour. Stupid motherfucker. So yeah, I got a feeling I'm gonna like this. It was really cool. I don't know if you saw in the video. I guess I got a little bit of it. It's pretty cool how they make these things. They basically like ladle out the batter, which is the rice flour and water, I guess. They ladle out the batter onto this wide, like metal drawer. It looks like a drawer. And then the drawer goes into, then they put the toppings on it, whatever you ordered. You know, if you order shrimp, if you order sausage, whatever. They put that drawer into like a cabinet or steaming cabinet or dresser, I guess you could call it. And then they just let it go for a couple minutes and it's done. So cool. And then she like scores it and then scrapes it out, making the roll and putting it right into the container, the to-go container. Really cool. So simple, so cheap. Everything that I ordered was just $10 total or $9.50. So I don't know, pretty cool. I'm a fan. I always like these things, and I've always been, like I was saying, trying to find this spot, something close by. This is super close. I could run here and back in 5-10 minutes, pick up dinner. It's awesome. There's another one I want to try called Tony with 2 I's, T-O-N-I-I. That one's on Bayard Street. The cake dealer has had that one on her list for a while, and also my friend Kelvin recommended that one in the group chat. A little bit further away on the other side of Bowery, but still close. So I'll definitely have to give that a try too. Man, I'm hungry. Worked up an appetite. All right, almost there. They close early. I guess they don't do dinner. More of a lunchtime thing. But we did it. Man. Crazy traffic right now. Crazy wind. All right. I will see you on the inside.
Oh, it's good. Let's try this guy. Fork. Curry fish ball. I don't know which I like better. They're all really good. Well, that's it. Delicious meal. I finished everything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma. Oh, and also jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, if you want to see some more pictures.